Hi dear students, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to do unit number 7, Sam and the Rainbow. So today we are going to start it. Before you read all the lesson, name any 5 things that you see in the sky. Have you ever seen a rainbow? What does it looks like? So students, I have few questions in my mind and I have to ask you. I'm going to ask you, tell me the name of any things that you see in the sky. Any 5 things what you see in the sky? We see kite, clouds and many other things. Have you ever seen a rainbow? You have to tell me the answer. What does it look like? So in this lesson we will also learn about the rainbow, about the colors of the rainbow and how it seems. We will learn in this unit. So now I am going to read it. One day there was a frightening thunderstorm. Frightening means scary. Scary thunderstorm. We are talking about a terrified, scared thunderstorm. The sky was dark. The wind howled and the rain poured down. Will howled mean to make a loud sound of wind. And the rain poured down. Pour down mean flow rapidly. Then the rain stopped and the sun appeared. Then what happened? Rain stopped and the sun appeared. Of course students, if the rain will stop, then what will happen? Then sun will appear. Shining brightly means sunny day. Was brightly sunny, brightly day, bright day. So now I am going to read the second paragraph. Sam was in the house. He was waiting to go outside to play. Sam was in the house and he was ready to go outside because he wanted to play. When the rain stopped, Sam looked out of the window to make sure. So what happened in this paragraph? Sam was in the house, he was waiting to go outside for the play. But when the rain stopped, then Sam looked out of the window to make sure that he saw a huge arc of colors at the bottom of the garden. So what he looked outside? He looked outside a garden. He saw a very large, huge mean a very large arc of colors at the bottom. Bottom mean the lower side of the garden. It was almost touching the ground. Wow! We are talking about the rainbow. It was the touching the ground. You can see here in this picture from the garden, you can see the rainbow. It is almost touching the ground. So there was a band of red, then orange, yellow, green, then blue and then indigo. And the last of all, violet. So here students, in this paragraph we have learned about the colors of the rainbow. There are 7 colors in rainbow and you can see also in this picture. The first color is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and the last one is violet. You can see all these colors in this picture, in this image. So finally students, we have learned about the colors of the rainbow and how it looks. You can see here in this image. Now I am going to underline the dictation words. You can see here. Number 1, in the first line the word is frightening. In the second line, halt. In the third line, appeared brightly. In the second paragraph, and in the third line, huge arc, bottom, and of the second paragraph, last line, indigo and violet. Thank you students. Take care.